It is my true pleasure to welcome you back with this next batch of PTFs. Richard, you and your team, I hope you take a moment today to recognize your role as a disruptor and innovator on the street. You're transforming and creating a hyper-efficient way for advisors and investors to own two classical strategies now available in PTF form. Now, we're really excited to continue our partnership with you, disrupting the way the financial community actually invests and bringing a level of efficiency through the business, enabling more time to be spent on things that matter more now than ever, our clients, our partners, and our friends. So lastly, as it's perhaps been a little bit since we had you here, we were reminiscing about the last time we did this in person back in 2019. We've been busy over here at NEO. Your mandates bring our total ticker count up to 90. 16 asset managers now with over $1.5 billion raised through the platform. As we continue to showcase the impact that change, competition, and disruption can bring to the community, PTFs now widely accessible across all major independent IIROC dealer channels, family offices, and we're starting to see the MFDA come in even more now. So thank you for being such an incredible partner of ours, for believing in us and our vision. We're very grateful for your support.
The first time we met, we discussed the opportunity of Stone Asset Management placing its mutual funds on the PTF. And we had recognized that you were so innovative at the time that there really wasn't a mutual platform for the buyer and seller of the product, and that we would have to work together to build that. And we're just amazed by the success that you've had. We think it's exciting that there's 16 managers on the platform as well as 90 products. We're really excited to bring these 2 new products and extend ourselves to 3. And we continue to look at NEO as an innovative platform to allow us to create and participate in change. We think that this is a great platform for the investor. We think it really makes a difference for them on pricing. It gives them great options to passive and active management choices at a price effective level. And it really is great for our organization as well, through settlement and trade settlement, and through operational costs and working with our custodians and other service providers. So Eric, to you and your team, our hats off, and we just like you to keep going down this path, and we look forward to continue to work with you. It's been a great journey so far. Well done.
So here we go. Off to the races again, another active start to the day, and looking forward to seeing some mutual fund closes at 4 o'clock today.
And we're glad to add these 2 funds. We selected out of our family of funds 2 particular funds, our Stone Growth Fund, as well as our Stone Canadian Bank Covered Call Fund. Both of them have different mandates, and when complemented with our Canadian Dividend Growth Fund, we believe that we're giving investors 3 choices on the NEO platform that are unique and satisfactory to helping them achieve their financial goals looking forward. The Growth Fund is an award-winning portfolio. It's focused on growth in North America. It's the large cap biased portfolio. So it's the big stocks in Canada and the United States. We'll be predominantly overweight the US in the portfolio. We use our disciplined proprietary investment process for managing the portfolio. So we're constantly looking for growth companies that can grow their revenue streams faster than inflation rates, faster than their competitors, companies that have what's referenced now in today's world a moat or some competitive advantage in their marketplace, which gives them headwinds to maintain that growth level, while at the same time generating free cash flow. And with that free cash flow in our growth biased companies, we're looking for reinvestment back into the business to keep the accelerated growth levels going forward. It is a concentrated portfolio of less than 50 names. And we have a very disciplined buy-sell decision criteria where we focus on our holdings having a specific target weight, so we can trim by either buying or selling to maintain that weight. We have target prices for full valuation or overvalued positioning, and that could cause us to exit an investment, or if we find an alternative investment that has greater return metrics, we'll go ahead and do that. The fund's been around since the inception of the firm. The investment management team has done a great job with the portfolio. We were winners of awards last year with a Lipper Award for the fund for the 3-year time period. So we're very excited to bring this portfolio to the NEO exchange, and we think that it complements our dividend growth portfolio that we launched just recently with you gentlemen and ladies. And our second portfolio that we brought to the market today is called the Stone Covered Call Canadian Banks Plus Fund. It is a very specific portfolio. It is focused on generating yield. It is a portfolio that consists of the Canadian 6 banks, as well as other financial services companies. We're seeking to add additional income for the investors by using a covered call option strategy. We write about 33% of the portfolio on a monthly basis. And we believe that the combination of using a covered call strategy as well as high yielding dividend stock paying stocks provides the investors with an opportunity to have a nice income stream from it. We think the great benefit of adding this portfolio to the NEO platform is the reduction in costs allows us to pass through a bigger payout to the investors. And we think that with a tax efficient payout, medium to long-term investment horizon focused investor, that they can do quite well with this monthly income. On that note, Eric, I'd like to turn the call back to you, and we hope that investors get happy to work with their advisors and use the NEO exchange for acquiring our funds.
We're excited to be partners in the journey. Thank you for your support. And I know the teams will be chatting a bit more through the coming weeks as we roll these out in the advisor community. So thank you for your support. Pedal down. And now the funds part begins, growing the assets. This concludes our market open for this morning. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Thank you for joining us to celebrate the PTF launch on NEO, and have a terrific day. This is NEO signing off.